Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Semrush and automate SEO reports with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. To download Semrush, start by visiting the official Semrush website. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Free Trial button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information to create your Semrush account. Check your email for a confirmation message and verify your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, explore various tools available for SEO analysis. To automate SEO reports with AI, go to the reporting section in the main menu. Choose My Reports and click on Create Report. Select the type of report you want to generate. Add the metrics and data you wish to include in the report. Customize the report's design and layout to match your branding. Next, enable the automation feature for the report. Set the frequency for the report delivery, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Enter the email addresses of recipients who should receive the report. After finalizing the settings, save the report. Review the report to ensure it meets your needs. To enhance your reporting, explore available AI features within Semrush. Utilize AI tools for keyword analysis, content optimization, and competitor research. Run your report to see how the automation works in real time. Make adjustments as necessary based on the output. Regularly check back to update metrics and refine automated reports. This will help ensure your SEO strategy stays relevant and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.